Well, I want to welcome you into the 100-day video challenge. That's right, I'm going to be doing a new video every day for 100 days. And this is day number 1. No editing, just straight video. And then uploading it for 100 days. More information down below. The videos. If you'd like to donate to the channel, please do so. It would really help me a lot. Continue to make the 100 videos. And do a lot more. So if you would like to donate via PayPal, I just mentioned it this first video. You can go on over there. The PayPal link is down below in the description if you'd like to help fund the channel. This is one of 3 cars down here. This is a 1964 Thunderbird. And the engine's still in it. Whatever's left of it, if you can call it an engine. Very rough terrain down here. Came back last year and took some new photos, but I haven't been back for a few years video-wise. Gotta have it steady here on the tripod because I am slipping and sliding all over the place. I always get a weird feeling down here. Don't know why. Kind of a foreboding. I'm always looking over my shoulder. It's even worse in the summer because it's so overgrown. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Always a fascinating place to come though, very intriguing to me. That's a 58 Buick Super. Or I should say was. Thank you guys so much for watching day 1 of the 100-day video challenge. Again, if you'd like to help contribute to the channel, please do so in the link below. The paypal.me link, Ohio Exploration is the link. And 100 days of videos to come, guys. That's gonna be a challenge. But thank you for watching. Take care.